Moving on with our exponent rules, another type of expression you're going to see is those that involve fractional exponents, or also called rational exponents. You'll see it talked about in both ways. That rule basically goes like this. If we have m, well, let's use base. Let's stay consistent here. If we have this base value, b, and it's being raised to the mnth power, there's two different ways. Actually, there's three ways you could represent this. Okay, so and I don't know if they show all these ways in the text or not, but you could write it as b to the m to the 1/nth power, or you could write it as b to the 1/nth power to the mth, or you can write it in its radical form. So rational or fractional exponents are directly related to radical terms. And so let me see if I can get this to work here. It doesn't want to. So the third way here, so let me just number it this way, since I'm running out of space here. The third way to write this is also as the nth root of b to the m. So if you look in your textbook, there's a couple of examples that they line out with this in order for you to be able to put it into its radical form, but then also simplify expressions that are involved with that. So let's just do a couple of these, like, let's work some of the problems actually, so that'll expedite some of your homework here. Let's say like we're going to simplify what they've done in problem number, say 1b. In 1b, they have 2 to the 3/5 power, and they want you to write that in radical form. Well, that's just the 5th root of 2 cubed, also known as the 5th root of 8. So you could write it in simplest form that way. And then it's in part 2 there, it says they want you to write the expression into exponential form. So let's like jump down to g. This would be 2g. So in 2g, hang on here. It's got, so we're converting it back the other way. So it's got 3 over the square root of x. Well, this is the same thing as, and now this is where, we didn't talk about the negative exponent rule, but you can actually convert something back into its negative exponent form, because they want this one into its fractional exponent form. We would go like this. This is becoming 3 over x to the 1/2. And then if we bring that up, that becomes 3x to the negative 1/2. So that would be into its exponential form. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Have fun with that exercise. That's fast, simple, straightforward. See you in the next video.